Hello Roberto, this is Robert. I hope you can hear me okay. I'm not sure how good the sound quality is on this, but I just wanted to send you a short video on Divergence on the Euro New Zealand. I don't remember exactly whether we went through all these setups already, but I just wanted to send a small video so that you could tell me whether I'm doing it right or not. This is my FinFX account. As you can see, if I go to a weekly chart, I don't have much historical data. But with what I do have, here it is. So I'm looking at the daily chart, and I have stochastics pulled up. I don't have the MACD with the two signal lines loaded up on this account or on this platform yet. But as you can see right here, I have a high here, a swing point, and then another high. And on stochastics, lower tops on stochastics. And what eventually ended up happening was it went down almost 600 pips. So that worked out, and I'm thinking, well, I feel that the best confirmation is in candlesticks, is in price action. So if I just highlight this area right here, and then I look for it on smaller time frame just to see what's going on a little closer, I can see that it's definitely reacting to this level. It broke down past these lows here, and then it came back up, retested the lows, and after that it just headed off about 600 pips. So there's that one. Alright, I'll move this one over here. Higher highs, again stochastics, lower tops right here. So I zoom down to the 4 hour. So the way that I would play this, if it was like none of this, everything from the green bar over didn't happen yet, I would look at this candle, look at these previous highs, and it closed below these highs or right on these highs, these previous highs. And on stochastics, this has not even formed yet. We don't even know that it started to go down, but it did peak there, and it is lower from this previous top. So then I go down to the smaller time frame, say the 4 hour, and I start looking for clues that this thing is going to turn around. So it hits it, and this almost looks like a head and shoulders pattern. If I can just draw this head here, shoulder, this could be a shoulder, or this. And then it comes down, retests the highs here, and from here it sells off. About 450 pips. And since it had already kind of sold off here, once it came back up, it was already retesting these highs up here. And so this would have been a better entry right up here, previous resistance right here, selling off, coming up to retest support or resistance, and selling off again. Okay. Next setup. Down here, I have lower lows, and on stochastics, I have higher bumps or hills. And it did, in fact, take off pretty far. Just from here, all the way up to 3 months, it had been rallying almost 1,800 pips. Where we come to our most recent divergence on the Euro New Zealand, I have higher highs, and on stochastics, lower tops. And it has indeed reacted to it, maintained at 800 pips. If I draw a fib, top to bottom, stalled out at the 61, now it's stalling out at 50. But that's just on the daily chart. If I go onto the weekly, it's a different story. On a higher time frame, well, the data that I don't have, the historical data that I don't have, we broke a very significant swing point, very significant high, so it'll come back down and then find support and then head north. But there you are. Just let me know what you think of this, whether I'm doing it right or not, and I will see you later. Thanks.